Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Synapse. On a 7 days time frame chart, Synapse has broken out a very long-term down channel and rallied very well. Now you can see it is breaking out a quite long-term resistance of 80 cents that has been previously breaking as a resistance here for several weeks, and it also worked as a support here as well. Therefore, again, you can see it is breaking as a strong resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several days, it was struggling to break it out, and right now, it is trying to break it out once again. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Synapse that I shared a few days ago on 15th of January 2023 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe button for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for Synapse that I shared on 15th of January 2023. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern that Synapse formed on a 1 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. This was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up and reached the sell target zone here. This was almost 10% pump and again moved down. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Synapse, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that since after the month of Feb 2023, it was moving inside this very big down channel, and you can see it was testing the support more than the resistance. That was showing that the price line can break down the support, but eventually the price line broke out the resistance rather than breaking down the support. In fact, that was a bullish bias pattern, but this action of retesting the support again and again was showing that it can break down the support because the more it tests the support, the more there are chances for the breakdown. However, it found a very long-term support here at 28.8 cents, and you can see for several weeks it has been testing the support along with the support of this down channel and geared up and broke out the channel. After breaking out the channel, you can see for several weeks the price end was getting accumulated above the resistance of the channel, and it was retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support again and again and geared up, and imminently it also broke out another resistance of 52 cents as well. That was the lowest price of the month of June 2023, and therefore it was again flipped into a strong resistance for the price and after several weeks, after the struggle of several weeks, the price end broke it out, and right now it is trying to break out this long-term resistance of 80 cents, and after that the next major resistance will be here at 95 cents. By the way, the final target for this huge breakout from this down channel is here at the top of the channel, that is between $1.80 to $2. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.